We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve Stabilization to make your videos look smooth and professional. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and load the project that contains the clip you want to stabilize. Once you have your project open, go to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. In the timeline, select the clip that needs stabilization. Now, look over to the top right of the interface where you'll see the Inspector panel. If the inspector isn't visible, you can enable it by clicking the Inspector button at the top of the window. With the inspector open, scroll down until you find the Stabilization section. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll see a few different settings like camera lock, zoom, and cropping ratio. For most cases, you can start with the default settings, but feel free to tweak these for more specific needs. Camera lock will try to hold the camera steady as if it were on a tripod, while zoom will automatically adjust the zoom to compensate for cropping. Once you've set your preferences, click the Stabilize button. DaVinci Resolve will then analyze the clip frame by frame and apply the stabilization. Depending on the length of your clip, this may take a few moments, so be patient. When it's done, play back your clip in the timeline to see the results. If it needs more adjustments, you can always go back to the stabilization settings in the inspector and tweak them further. Remember, the goal is to make the footage look as natural as possible, so it may require a bit of trial and error. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.